school bus, flat tire.
Hi, school bus. Why aren't you taking the kids to school yet? Wow, a soccer ball. Let's play a little longer. School bus, it looks like you're badly hurt. Oh no, I can't move anymore. TinkerBot, please help me.
School bus, were you driving and playing soccer at the same time?
Yes.
That's very dangerous. Let's take you back for repairs. First, let me check this tire. Nope, this tire needs to be replaced. Perfect fit! Now let's check your engine. Oh my, it's sparking. Don't worry, I'll change it for a new one. No, this one is too small. Let's try another. Yes, this one is just right. All fixed. Now it's cleaning time.
Thank you, TinkerBot. I feel much better.
Rinse with water. Add some bubbles.
The bubbles are so fun.
Rinse it clean. Blow dry with the fan. And finally, wax and polish.
I'm shiny and bright. I'm a superstar school bus.
Let's install a new device too.
That's so cool. I've turned into a super school bus.
Now it's time to clear away the rocks.
Great job! So wanna play soccer now? No, I don't want to get hit by rocks again.